Good morning, students. This is Gargi ma'am once again, and today I am back with another English class, but not English grammar, not English literature. Alright? As I said, English has been divided into three, isn't it? One would be your English literature, one would be your English grammar, and in the same notebook of grammar, we are going to have half of grammar and half of creative writing. Now, what is grammar we know, what is literature we know. Now, creative writing is where you are going to be taught how to write letters, stories, picture compositions, and also paragraphs. Okay, so today's topic is going to be paragraph writing. I'm sure you all are already aware how to write a paragraph, but even then, I just wanted to teach you once again from the beginning how to go about writing a paragraph. Now first, before I begin, another thing children, very important, as you are getting instructions about doing whatever work in the book, whatever work in the notebook, that has to be done, because children, once the lockdown is over, your notebooks will be checked by me. So kindly note that the school's treasure house is open from now on. It is open and it remains open from Monday till Saturday from 10:30 a.m. till 2:30 p.m. Okay, in the afternoon. So all those who have not been able to buy their books or notebooks can please go ahead. You can just give your ID card and ask maybe one of your elders in the house to go and get it from the school, because the school's treasure house, the new treasure house, is open in the premises of the school, where children are already coming and getting their books. Fine. Secondly, children, all work which is to be done in the notebook must be done in the notebook, okay? And all those work which is to be done in the book has to be done in the book, children. Please note, has to be done in the book. Please do not neglect your assignments, because whatever assignments are being done by you in the notebook will be given to me once the school reopens after the lockdown is lifted, okay? Because you must understand, children, things which are to be written in the notebook must be done in the notebook. That is why notebooks are provided. And as far as notebooks are concerned, there are two notebooks. One is for English literature and the other one, half is for grammar, half is for creative writing. So the notebook will be divided into two. The first half for grammar and the second half for creative writing. Alright, now let us begin. Yes, today's date is 6th of June and it is a Monday, and we are going to do paragraph writing. Now, before we begin the paragraph, I want to show you this. I'm sure you all must be familiar also with it, but even then I still wanted to. Okay. Now this is called a hamburger paragraph. Okay, hamburger paragraph. Okay. Now here, the first thing what we are going to know is, children, this is going to be your topic sentence. Okay. Now, after the topic sentence, then comes your relevant supporting. Okay. Relevant supporting sentence 1, then supporting sentence 2, then supporting sentence 3. Okay, sentence 3, and then the conclusion. I hope the board is visible. I'm trying my level best to show it to you. Now children, these are the 5 things in a paragraph. Now, what is a paragraph? Okay, a paragraph is that which tells us in brief detail about a particular thing. Okay, it gives us an idea about what the topic is about and also gives us an idea what are we narrating or describing. Okay, now a paragraph has to be made up of at least 5 sentences. Okay, now when we are doing paragraphs in class 4, you must remember that there will be word limits. What are word limits? The count of the words what you're writing. Now when you're counting the words, children, in class 4, you will not count the single syllable, the monosyllable, or, to, in, on, at. So 1 syllable and 2 syllable, and also you will not count those words which are being repeated more than 1. So word count are basically 3 and above syllable words for class 4. Okay, so when you start counting, your words should not be more than 80 words. A paragraph is generally half of a page, normally, okay, half of a full length page. Fine. So paragraphs are sentences which tells us and describes a thing or narrates a thing, and there are various types of paragraphs. Okay, there are various types of paragraphs. Descriptive paragraph, okay, is the type of paragraph what we are going to do in class 4. Descriptive paragraph. Okay, descriptive paragraph is that which we are going to do in class 4. Now, what is a descriptive paragraph? Descriptive paragraph tells us something about a person, place, or thing. Okay, for example, write a paragraph on your favorite cricketer. For example, write a paragraph on my village. Okay, for example, write a paragraph on myself. So you understand, I hope, till now what I have tried to tell you. Now, if you can recollect the Hamburger paragraph what I had taught you. Okay, now what is the topic sentence? Topic sentence is, supposing you're writing a paragraph on my best friend. Now children, I have also given you samples. Samples means example of 2 descriptive paragraph which you must copy it in your creative notebook. Okay, writing notebook. What is your creative writing notebook? The single line notebook. So you will first take out the staple pins where it divides the page. Okay, like first half and second half. So from the second half, you will also create the index. Index would be what? Date, name of the topic, okay, page number, okay, and date of submission. These are the 3 things which are, and also a column for my signature. So date, name of the topic, page number will be from which page to which page number, say my village, and the date we read, date of submission and the teacher signature. Fine, these are going to be the 5 things which are to be noted. Please, I am repeating again, 5 things which are going to be there in your index. You must remember there has to be an index, as you came to know now. Don't begin from the first page. First page, leave it as index. Now topic sentence. My best friend. So my best friend's name is Fiona. I think you remember I was talking to you about my best friend name. Of course, the sample which I have given you does not have her name. Now, what would be supporting sentence? Okay, she is a girl and studies with me in, say maybe St. Joseph's Mahikara School. So, what is a supporting sentence? Supporting sentence gives us, the first topic sentence gives us the main idea of the paragraph, alright? And then supporting sentences gives us minute details. So each supporting system will have, supporting a sentence will have one detail about the topic. So if there are 3 supporting sentences, it is going to give us details. And you must remember, children, when you are writing a paragraph, the vocabulary has to be very good. very colorful, very interesting. You cannot write a paragraph which is going to be boring and which will not like the reader, to continue with his reading or her reading. Fine, so paragraph has to be very beautifully written. It will be giving us an idea about the topic. It will give us an idea in brief, because what is essay? It is long, but paragraph, as I said, it will be almost half of a full length page, and the counting of words will not be counted on all those one syllable and two syllable words, but 3 upwards, okay, and should not exceed more than 80 words. So we are going to do descriptive paragraph. Descriptive paragraphs are those paragraphs which describe a particular topic. Now children, another thing I want you to remember, your paragraph should have all types of sentences if possible. That means an exclamatory sentence if possible, okay. At least a declarative sentences, of course, declarative sentences will be there. Subject and predicates will be there, because a declarative sentence tells us about what a particular thing is doing. So, and also interrogative sentences can be there and imperative sentences, okay, to make it interesting. So I have given you 2 paragraphs, children, my best friend and my village. So both are descriptive paragraphs. You will exactly copy it from the homework worksheet which I have given in your notebook, children. As I said, please maintain your notebook properly. Use a bookmark. You can take any rough paper, fold it into nice, a strip, and then design it and treat it as a bookmark for your notebooks related to English. Alright, children. So what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a composition of sentences which is about a particular topic. It gives us the main idea of the topic, what is the topic about, and it also gives supporting details. As I said, you must do the homework, that is the paragraphs which have been given in the form of homeworks, as well as also mentioned in your teaching content in your notebook, children. Your notebooks can be bought from the school's treasure house as it is open from now onwards. So no problem, you can get your books as well as notebooks from the school's treasure house. Alright, children. So for today, this is what we are going to do. Again, in the live class, I am going to take up comprehension. Okay, comprehension, unseen passages. So today we had my best friend and also my village being sent across as homework, and we have done paragraph writing. So I hope you will remember the Hamburger paragraph, what has been given to you. Okay, so stay safe, take care, be good. And do not stop your revisions now, children. Do not stop your revisions, because any moment you will get to know about the examination process also. And of course, as you know that the exam schedule, what is mentioned in the almanac, we have to proceed as far with that. Yes, there are many chapters which have been taught related to literature. There are many chapters which have been taught related to grammar. So do not stop your practicing. Okay, bye. See you again. And another thing, children, another thing before I wind up. That is, I please request your 100% attendance during the live class. As I said, attendance is very, very crucial, children. So 100% attendance must be there. It makes me feel happy to see you all. Of course, the platform is digital, but then it makes me feel good that yes, children are treating the live classes also with equal importance. So once again, bye.